Hello, BSc third year students. You know that unit second is started, and from unit second, the first chapter, the first lesson or topic is the population ecology. And in previous period, in from the population ecology, the two characteristics we have completed. So one is the natality, that is the birth rate of a population, and second one is the mortality, that is the death rate of a population. We are studying the population ecology, which is a chapter from the ecology part from the unit second. So here today we will study the third characteristics of a population, fourth characteristic of a population, and fifth characteristics of a population. So first we will start in today's lecture the population dispersal. So disperse means going to anywhere, that is called as the disperse. And population means a specific species, एका ठराविक प्राण्यांचा समूह, that is called as the population. For example, the elephant population, tiger population, human population, snake population, frog population, and from this population some of the animals, they are going anywhere, that is called as the dispersion. So population dispersion. So what is the population dispersion? The systematic definition of population dispersion is a character of population. So in this character, the animals are dispersing or disperse. So here we can say that population, here some animals move into the population or out of the population. Into the population means some animals coming from anywhere into a population. Or out of the population means from a population animals are going anywhere out from the population. So into and or out. Some animals move into the population or out of the population. That is called as the population dispersal. So there are three types of the population dispersal. Remember the character population dispersal. There are three types of the population dispersal. So first one is given here, that is the migration. Migration is a periodic passing from one place to other place in search of the food, in search of the better climatic conditions, in search of the availability of a habitat for their reproduction, good habitat. The place where there is no enemies means the enemy which are giving trouble or dangerous. So from that place animals going to other place. So that is called as the migration. So here migration means periodic passing from one place to other place, and after some years where there is the favorable condition, that animals comes again to their original place. So in migration animals moving from their original place to new place, and after some days they are again coming back to their original places. So in this way animals are doing migrations. In our area different types of the birds are coming. In our very nearest water body, large water body, that is the Eldari Dam, different types of the animals, aquatic animals are coming to the dam. They are called as the visitors, our guests coming to our dam, visitors. Why they are coming from anywhere? In their original place there is not a suitable condition, not availability of food, not availability of the space for their reproduction. There are the enemies. So that's why they are coming to our area, and after some days they are go back again to their original place. So that is called as the migration. Migration is one type of the population dispersal. Another type of the population dispersal is the immigration. Immigration means the outward movement from a population. Some of the animals, they are going anywhere in search of the food, in search of the availability of good climatic conditions, atmosphere, the place which is free from their enemies. So they are going permanently. That is called as the immigration. Immigration. So they are moving from their population to the new other places. That is called as the outward journey. They are never coming back to their original places. So that is called as the immigration. Then next one is the third one is the immigration. Immigration. So immigration, the inward movement, outward movement and inward movement means animals are coming from other new places to in the a population, not going from population, they are coming inside the population increasing. So remember, population dispersal is a character of a population. There are three types of the population dispersal: migration, immigration and immigration. Another type of the characters of a population is the population density. So density, gharata, how many animals are there? If animals are more, then density is the more. So here, the total number of animals in a population, that is called as the population density. So here, for example, Daphnia per liter in Eldari Dam, how many Daphnias are there? So we are calculating the Daphnia by per liter. एका लिटर मध्ये किती डॅफनिया सापडतात? एका लिटर मध्ये समजा फॉर एक्झाम्पल we found that 5 daphnia in a liter, then we can calculate in 2 liters 10 daphnia, in 100 liters, in 1000 liters, and in how many liters of water is present inside the dam, we can calculate how many daphnias present in the dam. So another type of the example is number of people in square miles, number of tigers in a square mile. Any animals we can calculate in this way, population density. Now there is a formula given for the estimation of the population density. So population density we can calculate as all animals divided by the number of units of species. Species means animals of a particular population. So these two characteristics we have studied here, population dispersal and population density. Now we will study the third type of the population characteristics, that is the age distribution. So age distribution. Now you think or you remember, we are studying the population ecology. In population ecology we are studying the characteristics of the population. First character is the natality, second character is the mortality, third character is the population dispersal, fourth character is the population density, and now we are studying here the fifth character, that is the age distribution. This age distribution, remember age distribution. So in the age distribution there are different types of the population group. So this shape, here we can draw the figure in this way. So here the population, here the another population, we can say here by different linings. These are the populations. This is called as the triangular shape. Triangular shape. Triangular shape of a population. Now there is the another type of the population. So this is the population are there. this is the bell shape, or third one is the like this. So here see this different types of the urn shape. So these are the three populations. Now this shows the triangular shape, this is the bell shape, and this is the urn shape. So this triangular shape indicates the young population. Now the bell shape shows the stable population. And this shows the decline population. Now here this part and this part, similarly here this part. So these three shows the age distributions. So here the post-reproductive age. Then this is second one is the reproductive age, and this is the pre-reproductive age. So on the basis of the age in a population of a character age distribution, there are different types of the shape of a population. This shows the triangular shape of a population. This shows the bell shape of a population. This shows the urn-shaped population. In these three types of the population, this indicates the triangular shape indicates the young population. Then this bell shape shows the stable population. Then this declining population, this shows the urn-shaped population. Now here, as per their age distribution. So this is the base level. This shows the pre-reproductive age, then the reproductive age, and then the post-reproductive age. So in this way, I will summarize. In today's period, we have studied three characteristics of a population. In today's period, three characteristics. Which is the three characteristics? So first is, what is the first? You have studied. You remember? What is the second? You remember? What is the third? This one is the third, age distribution. Then before this, population density we have studied. Before that, population dispersal we have studied. So in today's period, population dispersal, a character, then population density is a character, and age distribution is a character. These three characters we have studied in today's period, and in previous period, two characters we have studied. That was the natality and mortality. So, dear students, remaining characteristics of a population we will study in the next period. For today, it is sufficient. After the period, you observe, you see the period, you listen the period from the YouTube, and after complete listening, you send your message for your presentee, for your attendance. Simply you give one message, present sir, and then your name. I will put your attendance in your register. So within 5 hours or within the 4 to 5 hours after the period, you have to give your attendance. Then after your attendance, I will put that. So okay, for today it is sufficient. Thank you very much. Attend the period regularly.